Hello friends, today in chapter 9 differential equation we will see general and particular solution of differential equation. So we know that if equation x plus 3 equals to 0 is given, then x equals to minus 3 we submit. Then because so satisfy the equation, so x equals to minus 3 is a real number which satisfy the equation. So we say that minus 3 is the solution of this equation. Same way it is given that sin x equals to 0. Then we take x equals to k pi, k belongs to z, any real number. Then k pi is called the solution of this equation. So same way now we are studying about differential equation. So we have equation d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0 is differential equation. Then we get the function y equals to f of x such that which this function satisfy the given equation. Fx satisfies d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0, then fx is called general solution. For example, for this equation y equals to, we take a sin x plus b. This equation we solve, then we get that d square y plus by dx square plus y equals to 0. So we can say that a sin x plus b is the general solution of d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0. We can see here how it is. So y dash we can get a cos x plus b, and y double dash we will get minus a sin x plus b, where a sin x plus b is y, so y double dash is equals to minus y, which will be y double dash plus y equals to 0. So we can see that this equation we are getting by differential taking the derivative of this equation, and so y equals to a sin x plus b is called the general solution of the given differential equation. So we have seen that d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0 has general solution y equals to a sin x plus b, where a and b are parameters or constants. So in general solution, the particular value of a equals to we take 2 and b equals to we take pi by 2 or something. Then we get y equals to 2 sin x plus pi by 2. Then this is called particular solution of given differential equation. So the particular solution is the when in general solution we submit the parameters by real values, then it is called particular solution. So now we will verify that y equals to e raised to minus 3x is solution of d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y equals to 0. So we are given the equation y equals to e raised to minus 3x. So its first derivative we take, then we know that e raised to minus 3x derivative minus e raised to minus 3x, and minus 3x derivative is the minus 3, and so it is minus 3 e raised to minus 3x. Now second derivative again we take d square y by dx square, then we can see minus 3 as it is, e raised to minus 3x derivative minus 3x, e raised to minus 3x, and again minus 3 will be front, and so it will be 9e raised to minus 3x. So now we submit in this equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y, then 9e raised to minus 3x minus 3e raised to minus 3x minus 6e raised to minus 3x. So we can see it becomes the 0, and so we can see that y equals to e raised to minus 3x is the solution of d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y equals to 0. Now we will see the exercise 9.2. Verify y equals to e raised to x plus 1 its solution of y double dash minus y dash equals to 0. So we take the different derivative of y equals to e raised to x plus 1. Now we till the 2 order required, so with the 2 times we take the derivative. So first derivative will have y dash equals to e raised to x and y double dash also e raised to x. So we can see that y double dash minus y dash equals to e raised to x minus e raised to x 0. So this equation satisfies the given differential equation, and so we can say that y equals to e raised to x plus 1 its solution of y double dash minus y dash equals to 0. Question 2, we have verify y equals to x square plus 2x plus c its solution of y dash minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. So y equals to x square plus 2x plus c, we differentiate with respect to x, and y dash equals to 2x plus 2. So y dash equals to 2x plus 2 we submit in this. So y dash minus 2x minus 2. So 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2 equals to, we simplify, then it gets the 0, and so we can say that y equals to x square plus 2x plus c is solution of y dash minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Third question, we have verify y equals to cos x plus c its solution of y dash plus sin x equals to 0. So equation is given y equals to cos x plus c. With respect to x we take the derivative, and y dash equals to minus sin x. Minus sin x we take the other side, then y dash plus sin x equals to 0, and so we can say that y equals to cos x plus c its solution of y dash plus sin x equals to 0. Now question 4, we have verify that y equals to under root 1 plus x square its solution of y dash equals to xy upon 1 plus x square. So it is given that y equals to under root 1 plus x square. We differentiate with respect to x, then y dash equals to 1 by 2 under root 1 plus x square into 2x. So 2 to cancel, x by under root 1 plus x square. So to remove the square root of 1 plus x square, we multiply and divide by under root 1 plus x square. The under root 1 plus x square is the y, and so x into y, and denominator will be 1 plus x square. So we are getting this equation. So we can say that yes, y equals to under root 1 plus x square its solution of y dash equals to xy upon 1 plus x square. Fifth question, we have verified that y equals to ax its solution of xy dash equals to y. So y equals to ax we differentiate with respect to x, then y dash equals to a. So both the side multiply by y, then xy dash equals to ax, and ax is equals to y. So we get the xy dash equals to y. So we can say that y equals to ax its solution of xy dash equals to y. Sixth question, we have y equals to x sin x its solution of xy dash equals to y plus x under root x square minus y square. So y equals to x sin x, we differentiate with respect to x, then here y dash equals to x sin x differentiation cos x plus sin x as it is x differentiation 1, and so we multiply by x whole equation, then xy dash equals to x square cos x plus x sin x. So xy dash x square as a cos x we can write under root 1 minus sin square x, and x sin x we can write y. Now sin square x is there, so we can get sin x value from here, we get y by x, so it is y square by x square. We take the LCM here, then we will have xy dash equals to x square plus under root x square minus y square upon without root x plus y. So 1x cancel and we get the xy dash equals to x under root x square minus y square plus y. And so we can say that y equals to x sin x is solution of given differential equation xy dash equals to y plus x under root x square minus y square. Now 7th question we have verify xy equals to log y plus c its solution of y dash equals to y square upon 1 minus xy. So xy equals to log y plus c, we differentiate with respect to x, then we apply multiply rule, then xy dash plus y equals to 1 by y dash. So we will y take multiply this side, then xy y dash plus y square plus is equals to y dash. So xy y dash we take another side, then y square equals to y dash minus xy y dash. So y dash common 1 minus xy and y square as it is. So y dash equals to y square upon 1 minus xy. And so we can say that xy equals to log y plus c, its solution of y dash equals to y square upon 1 minus xy. Question 8 we have verify y minus cos y equals to x is solution of y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash equals to y. So we have y minus cos y equals to x, we differentiate with respect to x, then y dash. Cos y derivative is the minus sin y, and so plus sin y into y dash equals to 1. So y dash we take out common, then 1 upon 1 plus sin y. Now we have given y sin y plus cos y plus x equals into y dash. So in this x value we submit y minus cos y, then cos y cancel. So y sin y plus y into 1 upon 1 plus sin y. So y we take out common, 1 plus sin y into 1 upon 1 plus sin y. So 1 upon 1 plus sin y is cancelled, and so y we get, and so we can say that yes, given equation its solution of given differential equation. 9th question we have x plus y equals to tan is y, its solution of y square y dash plus y square plus 1 equals to 0. So we are given x plus y equals to tan inverse y, and so we differentiate with respect to x, then 1 plus y dash equals to 1 upon 1 plus y square y dash. So we take the 1 plus y square on y dash this side, then 1 y dash common, 1 upon 1 plus y square minus 1. Then we take the LCM, then 1 plus y square is equals to y dash into minus y square we get. So this term we take another side, y square y dash plus 1 plus y square equals to 0, which is given differential equation. So we can say that x plus y equals to tan inverse y, its solution of given differential equation. Question 10 we have y equals to under root a square minus x square, its solution of x plus y divided by dx equals to 0. So y equals to under root a square minus x square is given. So y dash we can take 1 upon 2 under root a square minus x square minus x square differentiation minus 2x. So 2 to cancel minus x upon y. So y we take another side, y dash equals to minus x. And so y dash plus x equals to 0, which is given differential equation. And so we can say that y equals to under root a square minus x square, its solution of y dash plus x equals to 0.